This lecture will explain net present value, that what is it and how to calculate it. So we will learn it through an example. Let's say that today you have made an investment of $100. This is your cash outflow. This is the investment which you have made. On this investment you expect to receive $50 after 1 year. That is after the completion of first year. Then in the second year, after the completion of second year, you expect to receive $50 more from this investment. And at the end of third year, you expect to receive $50 more from this investment. So you are investing $100 today and you will receive $50 after 1 year, $50 after 2 years, and another $50 at the end of third year. So these three are cash inflows which you will receive in future, and this is the investment which you are making today. Now the question is how to calculate net present value. In order to calculate net present value, you need to calculate first present value of all the future cash flows. Present value of future cash flows mean that you need to calculate that what is this future cash flow worth in terms of today. Because as you know, money keeps on losing value. So you need to know that what is the worth of this future cash flow as of today in today's terms. And for that you need a discount rate, that what is the rate at which money will lose value. So let's assume it is 10%. So what you will do, you will discount back all the future cash flows to present. So we'll start with the first one. The formula to discount back is future cash flow, which is 50, divided by 1 plus R, which is 10%. So 1 plus 10% is 1.1 to the power n. N is the number of years. So this is the first year, so n is 1. So for this $50 cash flow, which is to be received at the end of first year, if we have to discount it back, it will be 50 divided by 1 plus R, which is 1.1 to the power n. N is 1. Then if you have to discount back second cash flow, it will be 50 divided by 1 plus R to the power n, and n here is 2. Then if you have to discount back third cash flow, it will be 50 divided by 1 plus R, which is 1.1 to the power n, and n is number of years, which is 3. So to the power 3. So this is the formula is future value divided by 1 plus R to the power n. You call it n or t, same thing. So you can refer to number of years as n or st. So future value divided by 1 plus R to the power n, or future value divided by 1 plus R to the power t. When you calculate it, this one will be $45, this one will be $41, and the third one will be $38. This means that if you receive $50 after 1 year, this is worth $45 of today. If you receive $50 at the end of second year, this is worth $41 of today. And when you receive $50 at the end of third year, it is worth $38 of today. Now what you do is you simply add them to calculate the NPV. So NPV is initial investment, which is negative 100. Why negative? Because it is an outflow. This is what you are spending. So negative 100 plus $45 inflow in present value terms, plus $41 inflow in present value terms, plus $38 inflow in present value terms, minus 100 plus 45 plus 41 plus 38 equals $24. So this $24 is your NPV. If NPV is positive, it means that you should invest. If NPV is negative, this means that you should not invest. So this is it about NPV. If you want to join our detailed finance courses, email us at askpvc@gmail.com. Thank you.